Okay, dear. After we test the counterboard, it don't has 48 voltage, and we needed to check the screen side. Let's see if the cable inside of the screen is loosened or falling off. Firstly, we needed to remove the screws on the back of the screen. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws. We needed to preparing a screwdriver like this to remove all of the screws. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now all of the screws has already removed, and we needed to open the screen, and you need it like this. Okay, and be careful. Okay, now it's open. Okay, dear, here is the back of the screen, and you need to find a screwdriver. And as you can see here, some screws around the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here are 8 screws, and you need to use a screwdriver to loosen. You can see, loosen them a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay, after loosening all of the screws, and we needed to have a check if that can press normally, if that can work in normally. Okay.